Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to create a sunburst effect in Affinity by Canva. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Affinity on your PC. Then you want to go and click on this plus icon, choose the size of your project. I'm going to click on create document, and here you have this project. Now go and click on pixel, go to pixel on the top left side right here, then go and click on new fill layer, and here you have the new fill layer right here. I will change its color to white, as you can see. And now you want to go and click on this shade icon. Then you want to go and click on this cogwheel. And now we want to left click here on presets. Then you want to select this sunburst effect. And you want to hold the shift button, then draw it like so. And here you cannot actually see it because I have it in the white color. I'm going to choose the yellow color, for example. And here on the top, you have the number of teeth, the inner radius, if you want to add the inner radius like so, the tooth size, and the notch size, as you can see. So you can change these preferences to get your final result and the result that you actually need. Here you have also the curvature and so on. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.